everybody, and welcome to the Joy of Trucking. Here we are with Kevin in the Werner Drop Yard in Oklahoma City. Just dropped off a load that we brought from Albuquerque, and bada bing bada boom, thank you dispatch, we got our next load immediately, so that was exciting, and it's actually right here in the drop yard. So it was good because Kevin could not find an empty trailer. But now, we don't need one. And as you see, he's already very busily route planning. So listen, if you want to come along with us, remember, at some point during the video, please do give us the thumbs up. That helps the algorithm, helps get these videos out to more people. Also, if you want to know when we put up new videos, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And now, let's get right into it. I don't know if we should ask Kevin more questions or just shh, because he's obviously concentrating.
Yes, he's quite concentrated.
He's concentrated, but not constipated. Did I just say that? Hey, Kevin. Could you talk to our audience, please?
Yeah, I got this job here, and it's going to Omaha, Nebraska. We're picking up the trailer right here at this drop yard where we just dropped our last load, so that's very convenient. We're going to go 457 miles. We got to get it there tomorrow, so we better go hook up.
Okay.
That's the job.
That's the job. Fantastic. All right, let's go. So it's going to Menards? That's it's not a clothing store?
Menards is a
department store? No?
Kind of it's like a tractor supply store. It's a hardware store, but it might be a distribution center because it came across the border, so I don't think it's going to a store.
Well, I'm kind of excited because I haven't been to the Omaha, Nebraska terminal.
Oh, we'll be close. There it is, right there.
I hope we can go. Right there. I hope we get to go. Hey, I think the guy just dropped that. I was watching him while you were out looking for an empty trailer.
We're down here. Right?
He had a tough time. But he was good because he kept getting out and doing goal. Get out and look.
So
He got out several times. I watched him.
That might also explain why we had to wait for it to come through on the computer. He had to finish his paperwork before they'd give it to us. So we are actually right on time here.
Right on time.
We got here earlier. We've been waiting.
Maybe. Right on time. Nice. Oh, well, it could have been that one. I don't know which one now he put in. I'd have to. No, I don't think I actually did. No, I think I was not running the video anymore. Oh, I think you got it, honey. Nice. I think I got whiplash. I'm gonna sue. Came from Mexico, and then this is Werner, and it says San Antonio. Cesar drove it, so this is a split. We drop a split, we get a different split. I don't know, Georgia would have been nice. I mean, I do hope I get to see the Omaha, Nebraska headquarters for Werner Enterprises, but it would have been nice to go to Georgia too. Oh, that's a lovely shot of your armpit, honey. Thanks. Good. I noticed you have cologne on. That's usually a sign that you want to stop somewhere for a shower.
No, yeah. I was trying to be romantic.
Oh, hey, are you ready to roll?
Let's go.
I-40. stomping ground this week. But this time, we're actually looking to get off onto I-35, heading north. Oh, there's a Bronx sign, honey. Oh,
We're all over Oklahoma.
no banana split for you. Oh, how about an outlet mall for me?
Yeah, let me pull it right in there.
Yeah, you got room in the trailer?
3.25 miles, keep left, then exit left.
There's a few. Oh, they got an Old Navy. Oh, Reebok. Honey.
What's up the Gap?
Yeah.
The only place Tanya buys underwear.
Did you just have to tell the entire 8 billion people on this planet
That's
about
an
that?
endorsement. I hope we.
That's a little personal.
Look at her.
Oh,
Look
oh,
at
hey,
Karen.
these guys are awesome. And I just want to point out Kevin's really good at changing the subject. I hope you all noticed that technique.
MHC Canworth.
Hey guys, you did a great job.
Service department open
Yep.
24 hours.
Look at your work here. We're driving by. Look at Kenny Riggs.
Still driving.
Hoo, hoo, hoo. Thank you for the water pump.
It's only a difference of 5 miles. The arrival times are always different, even if it's the same route.
Keep right on
So it's
I-35 north.
kind of difficult to say, but
Yeah.
right now it's a difference of an hour and a half. For 5 miles. It's kind of weird, right?
That is very weird.
So I think it doesn't really matter which one we choose, but I'd like to sit down at some point before the split just to look at the route a little closer to see if they both interstates, how much time you're driving on secondary roads, what traffic situations we'll run into. So maybe look for a place to stay just before Wichita.
Look how nice the downtown looks, huh? With the light reflecting on the buildings.
Very tall
That's
buildings,
really
lots of
nice.
glass.
Yeah. I like it. OKC, you surprise me. Very lovely. Whoa, hey, hey, hey. Whoa, horsey. What is this water feature over here? Is there a river that runs through here that we're not aware of?
Crossed it many times.
What? Which river? Pecos? No. I have to check my map.
Is it the Canadian?
Oh, the Canadian?
I don't know. Look on the map.
I'll have to look on the map. Or maybe a viewer could just write it in the comments below. Oh yeah, that's very nice.
It's Arkansas. The Arkansas comes from Colorado and goes through Little Rock.
Yeah, it does.
That's
What river are you? Hello? Oh, they got bike path along the side of the river. That's nice.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel. Amusement park. What? Woo. Look at that city. Ah, that is nice. Oh. Hey, hey, what's happening?
The buildings got smaller.
I got this in a video at night. I think it was lit purple. Interesting art. Very interesting.
I'm not really sure what it's supposed to be.
No, no,
Pretty
it's art.
art.
Well, I am surprised and grateful that there was no big truck that pulled next to us. clouds on this side. But
That's where we always wind up going to Tulsa right here. We ever been up 35 this way?
I don't think so. You can see sunset colors reflected on the bridge.
Come down from
Nothing in my mirror. Oh, honey, you're trying to have a conversation with me, and I'm like totally mesmerized by the sunset behind you. And I cannot seem to see anywhere else.
Let's go around a corner.
Yeah, go around the corner. Turn around. Because it's beautiful. Wait till you see the video, Kevin. Noticed recently these cowboy boots at Love's. I wonder if that's just out here in Oklahoma, Texas, New Mexico way. Not bad looking. Thanks for joining us this evening as we picked up a split load at the Oklahoma City Werner Drop Yard and are heading to Omaha, Nebraska. Fingers crossed, I get to see the Werner Enterprises headquarters. All right, hey, if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. You can put your comments and questions below and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to keep traveling with us, discovering the roads of America and learning about trucking. And be sure to join us in the next video. Until then, with love from Kevin and Tanya. Bye.